Just want to let y'all know preventive maintenance will save you lots of money, lots of headache, and make your nice stuff last a lot longer. I'm going to tell you what, this little Milwaukee with that 18-volt red lithium battery right there, I went through probably about 20 grease guns in my life. Manual, air, all that. It's probably the best little grease gun that you'll ever get. Best money well spent. I got referred to this by a couple of fellas online when I was looking, and it was a good referral, and I appreciate y'all because this thing has been doing real good with my mini excavator and my skid steer here. But I want to show y'all something that kills this motor. Some of you don't know how much preventive maintenance that you got to put on these things. This is one use, one outing in a dusty area. You see that filter right there? That right there is the death of this motor if you don't keep it clean. I'm doing it one-handed, so you don't keep that thing clean, you might as well say bye-bye to your old motor. Because it'll suck every bit of that in there and tear every bit of your motor up. That's your main little filter inside there. This right here is a pre-filter. But even that right there needs to be wiped out, no matter how clean it is. You see any type of dust residue, that right there will kill your motor. These motors ain't cheap. These are awesome motors. They'll live. Another thing, keeping that radiator clean. Keeping all that dust and debris out of that. Keeping your batteries clean, not on top of it. You see down in here is minimum dust, but every time my equipment comes in, I spend hours out here cleaning my stuff, checking everything, keeping debris out here from the woods and stuff that could cause a fire. So that's the fuel filter right there and the water separator. But going back to the grease part, best thing you can ever do right here if you're gonna get a grease gun is spend the money. Go buy you that Milwaukee. That way you can keep all your parts working real smooth and everything. And keep this thing clean. And I'm fixing to blow this out and it's probably gonna create a cloud storm. So anyway, you fellas have a good day.